Rockets and Suns game. 1921 movement, man.
So we're here at the studio, about to take some photos of Chuck wearing the shorts. Naked. If you hear me walking, it's because these floors are very sticky for some reason. I think someone rented out this place last weekend, and yeah. So these are all the outfits that he'll be wearing. Ooh. This space is available for rent, so if you are located in Katy, Cypress area, you can rent this out. We just parked, walking to the Toyota Center, about to watch the Rockets and the Suns play.
About to go watch my boy Ish playing for the Suns, you know what I'm saying? Excited to go see him play. First time watching him play in the NBA, so it's gonna be a good time, you know. Hey, after Rockets and Suns game, it's about to tip off. About to see a good game, man. Let's see what Ish gonna do. Outside right now.
We was going for the Suns today, you know. Took a little L, but it's alright.
2D play.
So now we just waiting for them to him to come out. He go give him a shirt he made, which is the same one.
All right, what's up?
Say hi, YouTube.
Merry Christmas, right?
Merry. That's Chuck's dad.
I'm trying to get him out there to Arizona ASAP.
Am I supposed to be in the video?
Yeah, you did.
Oh, okay.
For YouTube.
Oh, okay. That was good, y'all. Good behind the scenes.
Just got done talking to Ish. Reading things, just want to make it to the NBA.
Yeah, man. You know, it's good to see our guy, man, you know. On the other side, a lot of people made it to college and D1 and stuff, but it's good to see somebody finally make it to the pros, man. It's good.
So we just made it to the post office 3 minutes before they're about to close, and Chuck just went in there to grab the bin because we're doing a big shipment today. I think next time you should probably request them to come to the house. I think next time if we have like a big shipment, just request them to come to the house.
Always, all glory to God, always. So this is one collection drop. This ain't even half the orders. This is just a first day shipment. We're shipping out 200 plus today.
Oh, drop one.
Yeah. And then the next one. You might want to do this one like a real. Want to do it like a real vertical?
Yeah, I need your phone.
Shipping out 200 plus orders today. This ain't even half the orders. Oh.
Big box.
Oh. Gotta get in the weight room. I'm saying? All glory to God always. 1921 movement, man. 1921 movement. Orders falling out. Then say this is just the first day. Two videos showing you how to do a successful collection drop, you know. So be on the lookout for that.
When you need a vertical shot for reels, yeah, record with 2 phones.
Beautiful thing.